which Florida University sends its graduates to a median salary of $75,000 and accepts fewer than 1 in 5 applicants, making it the toughest and most rewarding CS pick in the state. Florida is home to a surprising range of universities where you can study computer science, from broad public research schools to specialized technical institutions. We rank them by each school's overall, school-wide graduate outcomes, so all graduation rates and earnings figures reflect the whole university, not just CS graduates. Florida Southern College posts a 70% graduation rate and $55,000 median earnings a decade out. Respectable numbers for a smaller private college, though it sits at the lower end of this Florida lineup. With a 64% acceptance rate and an average SAT around 1252, it's an accessible option if you want a tight-knit campus. But the outcome ceiling here is more modest compared to what else Florida has to offer. The University of North Florida edges Florida Southern on earnings at $56,000, but slips slightly on graduation rate at 69%, making it a very close call between the two. Its 53% acceptance rate and average SAT near 1153 signal a welcoming admissions environment, though prospective CS students should weigh whether a slightly more selective school might stretch their long-term earning potential further. The University of South Florida pulls ahead with a 76% graduation rate, the highest among the public schools in this countdown, and $58,000 in median earnings 10 years out. Its 43% acceptance rate and average SAT around 1227 reflect a more competitive but still attainable admissions profile, and that graduation rate suggests USF does a solid job of seeing students through to the finish line. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach is the earnings outlier of this list, with graduates reporting $84,000 median earnings a decade out, by far the highest raw salary figure here. The trade-off is a 67% graduation rate that trails several peers, but if your CS ambitions point toward aerospace, defense, or aviation tech, that earnings premium is hard to ignore. The University of Miami tops this countdown with an 84% graduation rate and $75,000 median earnings, combining the strongest completion record with elite-level outcomes. A 19% acceptance rate and average SAT near 1415 mean competition is fierce. But for CS students who get in, UM offers both academic prestige and a Miami tech scene that continues to grow rapidly. If this ranking helped you narrow down your options, hit subscribe. We drop new university countdowns every week, and the next one might be exactly what you're looking for.